Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Friday. I have hair on my face. This morning we are going to read a book called, and I think a lot of you might know this book, Bear Snores On. If you hear any little noises in the background, Mr. Kale's behind me. Bear Snores On. In the cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair through the long cold winter, sleeps Great Brown Bear. There's the woods, all the trees. And there's Bear. He's one of the animals that lives in the woods. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. His home is called a lair. An itty bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Oh no. He entered the bear's cave. The coals pipe pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. All right, so we have a bear and a mouse in the cave. Let's see what other animals are going to join them. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. There's the hare. The hare is like a big rabbit. Hey, whole mouse says, "Hare, long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. That's kind of silly. Mouse sips, wee slurps, hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. All right, so our forest animals so far are the bear, the mouse, and the hare. Let's see what other forest animals are going to join the bear's den. A badger scuttles by, sniff, snuffs at the air. Ooh, I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. All right, so our next forest animal is the badger. They nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. Oh, a gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Oh my goodness. So here's gopher and mole. They are animals that live underground in the woods. And raven and wren are two birds that live in the woods. They tweet and they twitter, they chant and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Oh my gosh, the animals are having a party, and the bear is right here, asleep. Look at all those trees. They're deep in the woods. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh no! You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and he blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Aww, he's sad because he missed the party, but the mouse is going to help him. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. Look at all those fun friends. But his friends snore on. His friends fell asleep. There's all of his friends. They all live together in the woods. Here you go. Bear snores on. Have a good Friday, everybody. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday. Bye.